found in the Dell. I think the primary flower that they're focusing on is water lilies. So water lilies etched into these beautiful glass blocks that are backlit. And then there is a data feed that ties to the Dell pond. That's already been installed. So they'll have a buoy with data sensors out in the Dell pond feeding live information into this room that changes the light, the color of the light and the light levels throughout the day and throughout the year so that it's different every time you come in and corresponding to whatever's going on the Dell pond. And there's also an audio